first, I want to thank to Mr. Eric who has given me an opportunity to teach you all or learn together and lead us to learn about SQL operation. Inshallah, today we will learn or recalling back our last material lesson about SQL operation, a common operation. So here I have searched from my partner ChatGPT. I got some materials here. So yesterday we have learned about common materials about select and then insert, update, delete, alter, and the other. So I want to explain quickly about this common operation. Start from the first operation. You can read here on key screen that select operation used to taking a data from the table or in the database and how to use it. Here we have the example of the syntax. So for the first we need to write the select, and the second we need to write the table or the field that we want to take it from. And then here we have the second operation that is from. This operation used to table address. So if we use it from I don't know. So if we practice it, here the example, contohnya, select. We want to take name data and age data from the karyawan tabel. So this is the syntax, and the result will be like a table, and there are names and ages, and I cannot show you because my material is not ready yet. So this, and the second common operation is insert. Insert used to add the column, add new column for the new data. So for the example, as you can see, insert into table name, and then the first column, the second column, the third column, and we need to fill the column with the data that we want. So you must to fill, mengisi this column with the value or the data that you want to fill it. For the example, I can imagine that a table is a box, and the value is something that you want to bring. So for the example, I have the box, that is the first column, and I want to fill the box with this spot. So in the first column, I add some value, a value that is this spot. And you can see the example here, the real example, insert into karyawan tables, and this is and this is the field name, and here this is the field of the field name, the new data that you want to fill to this field name. And the third and the last, we have update. This operation or this order used to renew the data that you have. So if we want to edit or we want to change some data in the table, so we need to use this operation. You can see the example. This is the update table name, and then the second operation, set the column that you want to change, and fill the column, fill the value of the column, and give the condition of the change, condition of the change. So, and this is the real example of it. Update from in karyawan database, no, karyawan table, and set umur. This umur is the field name, where this is the condition that Yusuf. So for the example, a person, his name is Sultan, my name, my age is 29, and I want to change my name to Yusuf. So I will use this syntax to do it. And yes, I want to record it. For the first, we have the, what is it? Select for take the data. The second is insert to add the data to tables, and the third, if update